Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Aaliyah Janae, and I'm so happy to have you here. And in today's video, I will be showing you all my 3-day workout split. Currently, I work out 3 days a week. And in this day in particular, or for level 1, I should say, I went to the gym straight after work. So my energy levels were already really low, on top of me getting my cycle soon. So I only did 2 of my favorite upper body workouts, but nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into it. Good morning, you guys. So this is a little real segment of what's actually happening. So I cannot stress enough how discipline is so important. You guys, I slept through my alarms. I was already supposed to be at the gym. I slept through my alarms. I am exhausted. I'm really tired. If I haven't mentioned already throughout this video, I am about 5 days away from getting my period. So usually that week before your cycle comes on, your energy levels go they go to the pits of hell.
So you're really irritable. Like literally, I was putting on my sports bra and felt like it didn't fit because my boobs want to be just so like, ugh, you know. If you menstruate, you know what's going on. But anyways, I just wanted to stay in the bed. I did not want to get up, and I was like, oh, I already slept through my alarms. Woo, 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 woo. F this gym today. But then it was just like, no. You said you was going to the gym three times a week. This would be my third day of the week. You're doing this video, and if I don't go today, then I'm gonna have to wait until next week and have to push this video out next week when I want to push this video out this week. So hopefully this will be up either Saturday or Sunday. But either way it goes, I got my butt up and I'm dressed, I'm ready, and I'm getting ready to leave. I just got to do my hair really quickly. But you guys, discipline is really what's gonna get you there. And you also need to hold yourself accountable, because it is so easy to get back in the bed. It's so easy to be like, actually, I'm not gonna do it or whatever. It's so easy. But like I said, like, can you afford to snooze on your goals today? Can you afford to just press pause, you know? And if you really don't have the energy, then of course don't go. But the reality was, I knew that at some point in time, like probably around like in the next hour or so, I would have been fine. You may not follow your exact plan. So let's say you wanted to go to the gym at 5 o'clock in the morning, right? And now you know you're waking up and it's like 6 a.m. or whatever. Don't decide like, oh well, because it's not 5 a.m. that you can't go to the gym. The gym is open, baby. As long as the gym is open, you can go. So if the gym is open, just go. Just go. Just go. It may not have been when you originally wanted to, but just go. Don't be like, oh well, I'll try again tomorrow. No. You can still go. As long as the gym is open, still go. Instead of going for 5, all right, so now we need to alter it a little bit. Now, obviously, like, if you have things to do and you have to see, like, is it really feasible for you to go? But if it's something that you can push around, like, oh, I need to go grocery shopping, you go to the gym. This is real. This is me holding myself accountable, because like I said, like, I really want to put this video out, and this is real. This is not like, no, I'm not editing this out. I actually wanted to like literally film this part in it, because this is legit real. Okay, I don't want to go. I really don't. And it's probably going to be a real light leg day. Like, I'm not lifting heavy. I literally just don't have the physical strength to do it. That's another thing when you're close to getting your cycle. Like, you be like, why can't I lift what I normally can lift? That's why. So, I'm going to take it light. I'm still going to, you know, do it. But I'm just not going as hard. You know what I'm saying? We're going to keep it. We're going to keep it cute. But I'm gonna do my edges real quick and I'm gonna get out of here. So back to the regular scheduled program. Buki, get up, go to the gym. It's okay if it doesn't go exactly according to plan. If you don't make it at the time you said you was gonna make it, as long as you make it. As long as you make it.
What do I get for my birthday? 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 You gotta put in some work today.
Wow. It's your folks, Soldier Boy, tell them I'm in the building. Everybody get on the dance floor. This girl got a dope. She finna shake it all night. Wow. She got a dope. 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 Shake so, 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 wow, shake so, wow, shake so, wow, shake so, wow. She got a dope. Watch flow. I like the way she move and the way she snap and roll. Yeah, throw it down. I got 5,000 ones. Me, you, and you. We like to have fun. Now go on, make it clap. That right there. Sipping on something that match my shirt. I like her. I want them to do that over her. She got a don't. 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 Shake so, 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 wow, shake so, wow, shake so, wow, shake so, wow. I'm back.
Pushing on my buttons tonight. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me what we can't pick it. Run the track. Gas me up, give me motivation. The way we move, skin on the skin. No separation, need no conversation. Nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's automatic going table to a high, nah, nah. Right, and wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking you too long. Right before I decide to go. I like you hurt me. Only serve it up if you deserve for me. Yeah. Pull up and hurt me. Push the start. I like you hurt me. Only serve it up if you deserve for me. Yeah. Pull up and hurt me. Push the start.
And that is it, you guys. You completed all 3 levels of my 3-day workout split, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments how many days a week you're going to the gym, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.